Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer from Robinhood to Charles Schwab. First, if you don't already have one, open a Charles Schwab brokerage account. Log in to your Schwab account and go to the Transfers and Payments section. Select Transfer Account, then choose Robinhood as the firm you're transferring from. Enter your Robinhood account details, including your account number. Decide whether you want to do a full transfer or a partial transfer. Review all the details, then submit your transfer request. And that's it. That's how to transfer from Robinhood to Charles Schwab. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.